If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. When creating sales tax agencies in QuickBooks Online, if using the Auto Sales Tax feature, you enter the agency name of the agency for whom you are collecting sales tax. When you save the agency, QuickBooks Online automatically creates an associated sales tax payable register for the agency in the chart of accounts. All the agency's sales taxes collected appear in the associated sales tax agency name payable register in the chart of accounts, where sales tax agency name is the name given to the sales tax agency. Unlike QuickBooks Pro, which records all sales taxes in a single sales tax payable account, sales taxes are recorded in separate sales tax payable accounts for each tax agency in QuickBooks Online. To view the sales tax transactions in the sales tax payable account for a sales tax agency, you must know the name of the sales tax agency. To find the name of your taxing agencies, hover over the Taxes link in the navigation bar and then click the Sales Tax link in the side menu that appears to open the Sales Tax page to the right. In the Sales Tax page, click the Sales Tax Settings link in the upper right corner of the page to open the list of tax agencies, where you can then find that information. To then view a register for an agency, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar and select the Chart of Accounts link to open the Chart of Accounts window. Then look within the Other Current Liabilities accounts for the account named Sales Tax Agency Name Payable, where Sales Tax Agency Name is the name of the sales tax agency. After finding this account, click the View Register link under its Action column to open its register and view its transactions. Do not directly edit the transactions in this register, as that can interrupt sales tax tracking in QuickBooks Online. However, you can view the transactions. To view or edit the original form associated with a transaction in this register if needed, click the Transaction line and then click the Edit button that appears below the line to open the original form. You can then edit the original transaction in the form if needed to correct any mistakes with sales tax tracking for the current sales tax period. One thing that you can do here is delete an incorrectly added manual sales tax adjustment you made if needed before paying the sales tax. To delete an incorrect sales tax adjustment you made before you pay the sales tax, find the incorrect sales tax adjustment in this register. Then click the Sales Tax Adjustment Transaction Register line to select it and view its buttons in the line's lower right corner. Then click the Edit button to open the View Adjustment window, which shows the sales tax adjustment information. Then click the Delete button in the lower right corner of the window to open a confirmation prompt window. To continue to delete the sales tax adjustment, click the Delete button in the prompt. Otherwise, click the Cancel button. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.